after the outside shots.
And it also probably works na playing the numbers. 21 3-point attempts sa game na ito. Mababa ang porsyento. Hayaan mo silang sumubok mula sa labas. Ito, perimeter jumper para kay...
Hanapin ko nga si Boss Dennis Ulf.
Yun. Damay mo na ako, ba?
Kung ako may kukwento tayo dyan. Nakakatawa. And this one, wala pa rin. Ito din sa Abueva. Nakakatawa yun, ang owner nito, Dennis Ulf, yung sa kabila, si Raymond Yu. No? Of course, kasama si Terry Kay. Pero
Right, may tangan ng bola. Over to Abueva. Calvin down low. May nagpag-guard.
kaya po parang, you know,
Ito ang ating tunay na lakas move at sa atin ng Cobra Energy Drink. Walang talo. Ang 13 pesos mo. Right. Binalik agad dito si Matthew. Sabi mo nga, nasaktan sila nung nawala. Matthew misses. Body on the floor again. That's the bata. As gets the basket at di niya pang foul.
let's take a look at that play again. There's the miss. Abueva knocks down. Oops. May pitik na ginawa si Almasan after he goes up and releases.
Marcelo pokes it away. Abueva contra Belga. The beast all the way.
Well, binigay na lang ni Belga yun. Hindi na.
A shot. Alex on the move. Turns around the other way. Doesn't work. Inside it is Abueva again.
He just comes and delivers at the right time. You know?
Rain and shine. Moving that leather left to right. They want Torres at the post. Abueva beats him to the rock. Pero naubusan na espasyo sa baseline. Si Abueva sinampal pa si Almazan doon sa dulo dahil madaldal daw. Si Almazan inaalas kasi Abueva, natampal tuloy siya. Dapat umarte si Almazan ng kunwari tumumba siya eh.
Ups and downs.
Pinapatunayan ng magkalaban na sila nga ay nasa ibabaw ng standings ngayon. Calvin will have to earn his points from the line.
That was like a gimme for him. He knew it.
BC wasting that clock. Norwood again from the left side. Huli, Abueva, and Abueva saves it. Phoenix with a chance to tie.
Abueva is behind. He got hit in the eye there. But they can't call the timeout. Sayang kasi isa na lang ang timeout nila eh. But they might have to. Yeah, they have to. They have no more choice.
They had to burn their final timeout here. Here's the block.
This is a great block. And Game was going to go for his third consecutive.
Ooh,
Oh,
sa
wow.
camera pala tumama. Itong si Abueva.
Ayun, nasabi ng lahat ng tao rito. Exactly what you said.